What's the meaning of beneficial? Beneficial. Beneficial.
Beneficial. Beneficial. The word beneficial means something that is helpful, advantageous, or promotes well-being. It can be used to describe actions, situations, or substances that have a positive impact on individuals or society as a whole. For example, regular exercise is beneficial for one's health, and donating to charity is beneficial for the greater good. Beneficial relationships and partnerships can lead to personal and professional growth, while beneficial policies and laws can promote equality and justice. Overall, the term beneficial connotes positivity, progress, and improvement, and is often used to encourage actions and behaviors that contribute to the betterment of oneself and others.